Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's video without any further delay. So basically in this video, I'm gonna share you like what's actually happened in my today's video. So let's start. So basically today is also this video is going to be routine of 19th September 2025 and today is Friday. So basically in this video, I'm gonna share you like what's actually happened in my today's video. So let's start. Basically today, first of all, I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I got a call from an institute to teach accountancy, right? So basically that's the thing what's actually happened. And yes, then after that I sent a bill of laptop to my sister, right? Then after that I talked to my mother. Then after that I went to the computer class. Then after that also doing I was doing a keyboard typing practice. And after that I came home, and at the time of evening I ate food. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what's actually happened in my today's video. I hope you've really understood this video. If you've really understood this video, then can you please like it, because whenever I like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes guys, that is all what is actually happened in my today's video. Right now I'm gonna revise something that I actually I'm gonna continue, right? So basically from where I stopped, let me check first. Just a moment guys. So basically in this video I'm gonna start from reptiles, water living creatures, worms and insects. So let's start. So the first is adder, गेहुआ सांप, right? So now second is alligator, घड़ियाल, ant, चींटी, bee, मधुमक्खी, मादा, beetle, गुबरेला, bug, खटमल, butterfly, तितली, body lice, चिलर, बोआ, अजगर, बम्बल बी, भिन भिनाने वाली मधुमक्खी, क्रोकोडाइल, मगरमच्छ, कोबरा, काला सांप, क्रिकेट, झिंगूर, ककून, रेशम का कौवा, कॉन्च, शंख, कौड़ी, कौड़ी, सेंटीपेड, कन खजूरा, चैमेलियन, गिरगिट, कॉडफिश, कॉड मछली, ड्रोन, नर मधुमक्खी, अर्थवॉर्म, केंचुआ, ईल, सर्प मीन, फिश, मछली, फायरफ्लाई, जुगनू, फ्रॉग, मेंढक, फ्लाई, मक्खी, फ्ली, पिस्सू, okay, grasshopper, टिड्डा, गैडफ्लाई, डांस, बड़ी मक्खी, हनी बी, मधुमक्खी, हॉर्नेट, भीड़, बर्ड, नौर, नाउर, बर्ड, बर्ड, लाउस, जोंक, लीच, जोंक, लोकस्ट, टिड्डी, लिजार्ड, छिपकली, लॉबस्टर, झींगा, लोकस्ट, टिड्डा, मस्कीटो, मच्छर, नेट, लिक, the leak, okay, net is leak, oyster, sheep, rat flea, मूसक, पिस्सू, स्नेल, घोंगा, स्पाइडर, मकड़ी, शार्क, स्कॉर्पियन, बिच्छू, सिल्कवर्म, रेशम का कीड़ा, ओके, स्नेक, सांप, सरपेंट, सर्प, अजगर, टैडपोल, मेंढक का बच्चा, टर्टल, कछुआ, टर्माइट, दीमक, टोड, भेक टोड, टॉर्टॉइज, कछुआ, वास्प, ततैया, भीड़, वॉलरस, दरियाई घोड़ा, समुद्री स्तनधारी, ओके। नाउ uh, trees, sounds of birds, animals, and insects. Okay, so ape, langur sound is gibber, right? S, gada, sound is bray. Bhalu, bear growl, bee hum, bird chirp, bull bellow, camel grunt, cat mew, cattle low, cock crow, cow low, crow cow, dog bark, dove coo, duck quack, eagle scream, elephant trumpet, fly buzz or hum, fox yelp, frog croak, geese cackle, goat bleat, hog scream, hen cackle, horse neigh, vulture scream, jackal howl, kitten mew, lamb bleat, lark sing, lion roar, mouse squeak, monkey gibber or chatter, nightingale wobble, owl hoot, ox low bellow, parrot talk, peacock scream, pigeon coo, pig grunt, puppy yelp, serpent hiss, sheep bleat, sorry, snake hiss, sparrow chirp or twitter, squirrel squeak, swan cry, tiger growl or roar, wolf howl. So basically guys, this is the till yet what I have discussed. Now I'm gonna talk about the words of flowers, fruits, dry fruits and vegetables. Okay. Balsam, gul mehendi, cobra flower, nag bhika, chrysanthemum, gul daudi. So it's all from the words but I'm gonna speak right now. It's all flowers name, right? Daisy, gul bahar, एरिथ्राइनिया, एरिथ्राइनिया, पारिजात, फिर सनोवर, हिप्टैज, माधवी पुष्प, जैस्मिन चमेली, नॉप कली, लोटस कमल, लिली कुमुदनी, मैरीगोल्ड गेंदा, मैग्नोलिया चंपा, मोतिया ओके, मशरूम कुकुरमुत्ता, मुरैया कामिनी, नार्सिसस नरगिस, ओलियंडर कनेर, पैंडानस केतकी, पॉपी पोस्त का फूल, प्रिकली पियर नागफनी, रोज गुलाब, स्ट्रामोनियम धतूरा पुष्प, सनफ्लावर सूरजमुखी, टच मी नॉट छुई मुई, ओके टच मी नॉट छुई मुई, ओके, जिनिया pushp. Okay, so till yet guys, I would like to stop here. For the upcoming videos I would like to talk the remaining person also, right? Remaining person what I can do, right? So basically one thing I just only wanted to tell you, that is, this is all what's actually I talk about. I'm in a journey of completing this particular book. So basically I want that before completing the, maybe I don't think it's possible, but I do my best. So I want that before completing 720 days of continuously shooting the video, I want to complete the whole book before 720 days, right? So basically in the journey of completing this book, particularly learning and basically day 720, when I reach, then I should be confident that I have completed in a very fast manner. I have completed this particular book, right? So yes, and so much announcement I want to do, will I will do very soon, right? So yes guys, for today I hope it is all enough for today guys. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all guys what's actually happened today in this video. First of all, I talked about my routine. Then after that I read some uh, words, right, from English to Hindi, right? So this is all guys what's actually happened today. So I hope you really understood this video. So I think that guys it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you there. Bye bye.